I thought we would go off-roading and we'd go look for some fishing holes.
No, I want to go to our school.
On your day off, you want to go to your school?
Yes, so we can ride our bikes.
Can we go off-roading after that?
Fine. But it's gonna take a long time
It is, huh?
to ride our bikes.
You gonna look for some fishing holes or what?
No.
No. Well, we didn't make it to the school yet. But this works. They're happy. Wish I could ride with them. Maybe someday. Well, we're at about 3/4 of a mile. And I think the last quarter mile's been uphill. And the boys just decided to walk a little bit. Olive seems to be going strong. We'll go a little bit more and we'll turn around and come back downhill. I think they'll have a lot of fun. What is that? What is that, Nolan? You see it?
Oh, ladybug!
Did you get it?
I probably can.
Got it.
Let me see.
Oh.
Hold him up here. What, is he mean?
No.
Okay, what I need to do is get in this truck.
You tired?
Yeah.
I'll be the one that's riding my bike. Hey, ladybug.
Right now we're gonna go up
We
that
couldn't make it in two-wheel drive, but
because our back tires just kept spinning.
well, what kind of video would it be if we didn't have to put it in a four-wheel drive
Well,
at some point, huh? I
well-
think we can make it. I think we can make it in four-wheel. Let's give it a shot.
well, yeah.
Here, Tom, can you hold that? All right, nice and slow, in four low. Here we go.
Yeah.
We may not make it in four-wheel drive either, but I think we will.
It was.
That's where Dustin got stuck, right off that edge right there. All right, here we go. I don't know, I'm having third thoughts.
Not second thoughts, third.
Well, we're still going.
So you
Sliding a little
guys,
bit.
this is how it'd look if I wasn't
All right,
tilting
we're
it up.
sliding a little.
It would look like this.
We're creeping it up. We're creeping it up.
Yep.
Oh boy.
And what you just see is the mountain and the sky.
That was a little rough, but we made it.
Yep.
All
We
right.
look pretty sweaty.
Yeah, you are.
We're
All right.
gonna get a
Well,
shower.
we made it.
Yeah.
We
We
have,
finally did it.
Success.
We
All
have,
right.
Success.
we have to get a shower today.
Yes, you do. Okay.
Yeah. This boy needs a shower.
Okay. Hey, dude, get out of those bushes. What's wrong with you? Come here. Come here. There's something in there. There's a rattlesnake in there. Come on. Crazy boy.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Probably just a lizard. Ow.
You know, we used to ride dirt bikes out here all the time. Ready to drive back down that hill? No.
The legs aren't all the way stretched.
Oh.
I need to go down here.
No. Olive.
We have fun off-roading, hanging out with our dad, hanging out just all together, and we're wrapping it up right now. So, thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.